A smoky start to day number 20 was met with abundant sunshine. I couldn't wait to get this go down to the beach to show one of my old buds.
That's genius. That help. I think that could help countries out, dude.
Oh,
like, you know.
That's what I was saying.
Yeah.
Afghanistan have used all of their wood to basically to cook, and it's gone. It's gone. So that's where the GoSun comes in. It's amazing. I've got a smaller version, and because when you cook it, there is nothing. There's no gas. There's no. It just cooks with heat, and it's all contained, so that you don't lose any flavor.
Tony's been running this beach shack for 30 years. He's been through hell and back, and he's a big proponent of the GoSun.
We didn't know what the wind was going to be like after the hurricane.
Yeah.
So I had my GoSun ready. That way there's no gas involved. You know, you can pop it outside, sit it in the sun for 20 minutes, put your fish, your chicken or whatever in, and it comes out delicious. In fact, it does taste particularly good.
It kind of is very authentic, right? Like whatever the flavor is that you have, you're going to get more of it.
Yeah, exactly.
Tony is former British Armed Forces, and he knows a little thing about keeping life going and preparing, whether it's a hurricane or just simply the daily ravages of beach life.
I've never seen this before, but oh, dude,
That's just a little
bomb.
1 man.
Oh, check it out! It's just enough for lunch. It's perfect. Oh man, I tell you what, I wish I had one of these back in the day when I was serving. That's for sure. Boy, that would have saved a lot of weight and fuel and time.
And a lot of cold meals.
Oh wow.
So then we can set the unit vertically. Take boil water for coffee or tea or whatever.
Oh my God, man. You know, look how many people could use this. Right. You know, that's the thing. But for armed forces, just third world countries.
I made up some lunch, some veggie dumplings for the guys in the cabana, and then grabbed a kayak and headed out to kite surf. Art's a retired school teacher here, 65-year-old. I'm in the target zone right now. I got a duck. Look at this. This is Art after kite surfing. This is what it takes. This kite kicked into high gear. The branch out here in the water sent him flying. And,
I wouldn't have done that if it wasn't for the branch.
Yeah, you tripped up on the branch and the kite just started yucking. You feeling all right?
Yeah, I'm fine.
This is definitely not a great sport to be doing solo, but hey, when you got the kite tug, you can't really do it any other way. This is probably my favorite sport ever. It was so sweet down there. Even during peak season, I had the whole beach to myself. It's a bit of a blessing, and it can be a curse in the world of kite surf. Doing this stuff by yourself is not ideal.
It's always a pleasure, Patrick. You're the bomb, dude. And the very best of luck with the GoSun, man. It's gonna work.
Thanks, dude.
Yeah, buddy.
See you later, Tony.
See you, mate.
Okay, it's day 20, and I made it halfway, and I'm super excited to just relax. I got invited by my folks and my uncle to dinner tonight, and I took him up on it. I figured, hey, so this is my Uncle Tom. He's helping me also have a liquid dinner. You mentioned that we have, this was not on the list of things that I am not allowed, so this is approved. This is not a nourishing drink. After burning through one more round of dumplings, I took the great pleasure of going to a restaurant to let somebody else do the cooking and the cleaning for the night. My folks really wanted to do something for my 40th birthday, and this was their great request. Of course I took them up on it.